In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily download mods for Marvel Rivals. The first thing you want to do is you want to press the first link in the description down below, and then it is going to take you to a website that looks like this. And from here, you'll be able to download the mods manager for Marvel Rivals, which you will need in order to actually run mods. Now, if it's your first time ever using this website, then you will need to go ahead and create an account. So I already made my account, and once you're done with that, all you need to do is you need to go ahead and go to this option over here where it says files, and then where it says main files, make sure you select on manual download. And by the way, if you guys are curious, this is all completely free. You don't need to spend any type of money in making the account or downloading the file. So let's go ahead and just download the file right over here. And since we do have the free version, we need to go ahead and press on the slow download like so. And now it will now begin downloading, and it should appear somewhere in our web browser. However, if you do not see it being installed, then you can always find the file on your file explorer and then underneath download. Alright, so once it finished installing, I'm actually going to go ahead and drag it out to my desktop just so you guys are able to see things a bit easier. But alternatively, you can go ahead and just find it through your file explorer and then underneath download. Alright, so now that we do have the mods manager, all we're going to be doing is right clicking on it, and then we're going to go ahead and press on extract files. Now for this, I'm using a software called WinRAR, which is another free software that you could use. But alternatively, you could also use the default options that Windows does give you. However, I prefer using WinRAR, so that's why my icon is looking a little bit different. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on extract files like so. Go ahead and press on OK. And there you go. You'll now notice that we will get like a second folder called the same thing, but like the icon will be slightly different. And once you're done with that, we can go ahead and proceed to the next step. Okay, so now what we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and press on this right over here. So this is the file that we did create after we extracted the main one. So let's go ahead and press on it like so. And then whenever you do press on it, you'll notice that we will actually get a file called Marvel Rivals Mod Manager.exe. So all we're going to be doing is we're going to be double clicking on it like so. And it might actually give us something that looks like this. It says Windows protected your PC, but all you want to do is you want to press on more info and then go ahead and press on run anyway. Do not worry guys, it is actually reliable and stuff like that. So then it's going to say file unpacking required. So that means game files need to be unpacked before starting. So yeah, go ahead and just press on continue. Now it may take a while, so let's go ahead and just press on continue once more, starting now. So I'll be right back with you guys. All right, and it actually didn't take that long. So over here it is now going to open up the mod manager. However, before we can actually download any mods, we need to go ahead and create the mods folder, which should be a relatively easy process. So from here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the launcher that you use in order to actually play Marvel Rivals. So I personally play Marvel Rivals on Steam, so I'm going to go ahead and open up Steam, but this process will actually work the same on the Epic Games launcher as well. However, the UI just might look slightly different. Alright guys, so now all we need to do is we need to head over to a library and then press on collections, then go ahead and select on Marvel Rivals, but this time go ahead and right click on it, then go ahead and press on manage. And then press on browse local files just like so. And then we're going to get like a bunch of options over here. And all we need to do is we need to go ahead and press on this folder called Marvel Game. And at any point in time, you guys could use a search bar in order to look for a particular file. So let's go ahead and just press on Marvel Game like so. Then we're going to go ahead and press on Marvel one more. Then we're going to go ahead and press on content. Then go ahead and press on pack. And then once we're here in this pack folder, all you want to do is you want to right click, then go ahead and press on new, then folder. Then we're going to go ahead and use the little squiggly line over here. So it's got to be like squiggly line and then mods like so. And then go ahead and just create that folder. And also I'm going to be putting that symbol in the description down below in case you want to go ahead and just copy and paste it. All right, so now that we have all of these different folders over here, the next thing we're going to be doing is actually installing some mods to download. All right, so I'm going to be using the nexusmods.com website in order to find mods to download for Marvel Rivals. So for this video, we're going to go ahead and install the Vegeta as Iron Man mod. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on it like so. And then this time, go ahead and scroll down, press on files one more, and go ahead and install the pack version of mods because this will just make the process far more easier. So let's go ahead and just press on manual download, and let's go ahead and press on slow download again because of course we're using the free version. But anyways guys, all you want to do is just be patient and then your mod should be downloading. All right guys, so we just got the mod, so I'm gonna go ahead and just drag and drop it to my desktop like so. Then I'm gonna go ahead and right click on it and then extract right over here just like we did. Then just go ahead and press on OK, and then we will now get a folder that looks like this. So whenever we open this folder, you should notice that we will get a .pack file, and that is exactly what we need. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this plus button that says add mod. Then all you want to do is you want to locate the pack version. So here's my pack version of the download. Then go ahead and click on it, and then go ahead and press on open, and then it should appear right over here. Then go ahead and press on this arrow that says enable mod. All right, and then once you got your mod done, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this button that says launch. So it's going to go ahead and launch in Steam. So let's go ahead and open up Steam one more time, and then all we're going to be doing is we're just going to go ahead and play Marvel Rivals. And then from here, you guys can go ahead and play Marvel Rivals with your brand new mod. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.